Guess what we just got? The new Motocompacto. All right, now we're gonna see what it's like to unbox them because we actually got two. Actually, it's only 50 pounds, it's not that heavy. Oh, yes, yes. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Woo. This is considerably lighter than the other one. I'm guessing, hopefully, they're already charged. All right. We're gonna unlock. Pull, rotate, there we go. So you got to make sure that's locked. So that's good. Also, I've seen on the internet that if you put the seat in backwards, which I'm not even sure how it's possible to do, you can't get it out. You don't say. So we rotated, seat goes in here, with a satisfying click. Last, we gotta fold the rear wheel out or extend the rear wheel. So we open this, turn like that. There's our wheel, another satisfying click. Pull out our foot pegs, lift up and out. Ah, yes. Let's see if it's charged. Ooh, oh yeah, 100%. I saw the 1 and the 2. I've not figured out how to go to 2. I think that gives you more power. And then lastly, if I just throttle it, nothing's gonna happen. You gotta give it a kickstart. You ready? Oh yeah. Weston just said it feels like an electric scooter. What was the rest of your sentence?
Like the birds, like, you know, the ones all the cool kids be riding around the college towns?
No, because A, I never went to college, and B, I was never a cool kid. I was the kid your mom's mom didn't want me to bring home. Oh yeah, 2's a lot better. Definitely 2's where it's at. Get tight, and brake. All right, I got the seat folded up. That folds like this, and then this should fold in here, and that locks in. And then I'll go like this. This rotates, lock, unlock. So it should go like that. Yep. Now this should just slide in, shouldn't it? And then this goes like this. Dude, I should take this to work and ride it around. All right. 100%. Light is on. If something wasn't right, we would get that locked indication. And then if I double clutch this, that turns the light on. And then fast, it'll put it in 2, which is power mode, which gives me a total of 18 miles per hour, I think, which incidentally is also where the speedo goes red on the Motocompo.
Power!
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
You need a little bit of a push off to get it started. You can't lean into the corner. So now, let's see how these stack up against the original Motocompo. This is just proof that like shit does not get better. You, the next generation, you're because you went from that to this, you weenie.
I feel called out on that one.
You
All right,
should.
start over here then. He's right though.
Sorry, Wesley. Maybe it'll get better.